Hi, I'm Ken with TestOut, and this video is part of our Schoology LTI integration series. In particular, this video will cover installing and configuring TestOut as an external tool provider within the Schoology environment. As you can see here, I'm logged in to Schoology. I'm logged in as an administrator. I'm going to click on my Tools menu and go to School Management. From School Management, I'm going to click on Integration, and then I'm going to click the External Tools tab. You'll then click the External Tool Provider button and begin to populate the fields. Now, for the sake of illustration, I'm going to cancel this dialog box and I'm going to open up a tool that I've already configured. You can see the tool name, I've named that TestOut. You can see how I've populated a consumer key and also a shared secret. Privacy is set to send name and email / of the username who launches the tool. Match by is set to URL. I've populated our domain and URL, which you can see, and I've only entered one custom parameter, LabSim _class _ID equals @context_title. What that does is send the name of the Schoology course to our product being LabSim, which is used to create a class within LabSim. The class within LabSim is named obviously after that Schoology course name. I hope this has been helpful. Please feel free to reach out to any of us in the integration team with any questions you may have, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.